Welcome to this week's Bitcoin video. Today we're going to take a look at, we're going to follow up on the previous video that we did, and we're going to look at the next support levels for Bitcoin as we continue to fall. It's been a rough week for Bitcoin once again. This trend is merciless, and we are now right down at within this support level that I've drawn out here, and it looks more and more to me like 3K is coming, and it's probably coming very soon. I wouldn't be surprised if we hit the bottom here around 3K at the end of this week. We'll see how that plays out, but we had this bear flag that I warned you guys about, and we retested that and bounced down, and then we have been moving down here for a little while, and I've been trading this this movement that we had here, and I'll show you that in a little while. But the 3K looks to me like the next big support that we're drawn to. We made a new low here yesterday, and even though it was very minor, it was still a new low, and I wouldn't be surprised if we continue that path. But beyond that, the next support would be the zone here in between 2300 and 1900. Approximately, it's 1850 maybe. You'll have to look at these lows here. Let's see. Yeah, 1850. So that would be the next support if we break through 3K. But that is the first stop on the way. And what worries me about this long-term chart is that the run-ups, the bounces that we have, are getting almost non-existent. They are very, very small, because you see here that when we started this huge drop in bear market, we have very large bounces upward, and I talked about that in the previous video, how they can be vicious. But these have obviously become smaller and smaller, but since we dropped from 6K, these have almost been non-existent. We had one here, but that was kind of small as well. And since then, it's been very low. So that surprises me a lot. And it's not a positive sign, because that means that the buyers are not really present. But let's have a look at the short-term hourly chart as well. So let's delete this for now. Oops. This was the bear flag that I warned you guys about last week. I think it was last week. And it played out very well. I saw we broke down here, and then we tried to retest the level here, and that's when I went short. And then we've had the development, really, we settled down here for a while. And we've been consolidating within this support zone. And for a while I thought we had some sort of triangle action going on. Let's see. Something like this. I'll draw it quickly for you guys, because we had higher and higher, we were making higher and higher lows here, and this looked quite bullish to me. So I actually went long when we broke this level here, but then I had my stops at break even. So when we retested down here, it stopped me out, and then we actually broke this support level here. So this now when looking back at it, it looks like we had another one of these bear flags, and just a continuation of that trend which we broke through here, and we retested it, and then we went down. So this looks kind of similar to this here, and this is a very quick drawing here, but you get my point. But either way, we made a new low here, which I talked about. It was very minor new low, but yet we look like we are going down to 3K, since we're making these continuous lower and lower highs and not really finding any buyers, because we are really missing these spikes, these bounces up. So buyers are not really present here in this market. It's a very strong, the sellers are very strong indeed. So I'm looking for the next level to be 3K. And then we'll have to see after that, but that is the next level in my opinion. So with that being said, I wish you best of luck with your trading, and I will see you guys in the next video.